Hey guys, Namaste. This is Sachin Habbar, 27-year-old working professional, passionate about Ayurveda and creator of the Self Healers Hub. The Self Healers Hub is on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier, and a more fulfilled life through Ayurveda and by connecting back with nature. Today's topic is what are the bad food combinations according to Ayurveda which needs to be removed from our diet so that we can boost our immunity. Ayurveda gives us the concept of ama, which slows down your immunity. So let us see what are the bad foods combinations which we are having unconsciously so that we can start removing them from our diet or controlling them in our diet so that our immunity is boosted and we can fight off any disease. Watch this video completely till the end. I have a special announcement for you guys, and if you watch only half of the video then you don't get the full concept, and so I want you to watch this video completely till the end so that you can use these concepts and implement them to get better results in your health and start avoiding the bad food combinations which we're going to discuss in this video. If you're watching this video on my Facebook channel, do like my page. If you're watching this video on my YouTube, do subscribe and share this video. Let's start with the bad food combinations of Ayurveda which are creating ama in your body. Ama means poison. First and foremost is, let's take the concept of milk. We have the habit of drinking milk, is it not? But with milk, what are the foods which we should have, we should not have? With milk, we should only have rice, and if we can have the dry fruits, the dates and almonds. These are okay to have with milk. But with milk, we should never have sour fruits. We should never have salty foods with milk, like breads, like biscuits. It should never be had with milk because this creates ama in your body. Never have fruits like banana, cherries or melons with your milk. These are the bad combinations with milk. Good combinations with milk are rice or dry fruits like dates and almonds. Bad combinations are bananas, sour fruits, and obviously salty foods like bread and biscuits. Second thing, what Ayurveda says, which we should never have foods which are of opposite qualities. Like you had a hot food like tea or any other hot food, but then immediately you take cold food like ice creams. This should never be had, and this has an adverse effect. So never take a hot food and then immediately take a cold food. Yes, and then beans. We have beans like rajma in India. We have beans, legumes. This should never be taken with fruit and milk. So beans which should never be taken with fruits and milks. Next, we have ghee. Ghee should always be taken with only grains or vegetables. So always in Ayurveda always says you should have your food with little bit of ghee. So when we have our lunch at home, practically we can take 1 spoon of ghee with the food. So this helps in good digestion. But ghee should not be taken directly. Second, we have curd. Curd should always be taken with rice or millets or grains and vegetables. Curd should only be taken with grains and vegetables. Curd should never be taken with fruits, with milk, with vegetables like potatoes and tomatoes, and hot drinks. Fruits, milk, vegetables like potatoes and tomatoes, and hot drinks. You should never take curd with this. Yes. And then we have fruits. Fruits should always be taken with same set or same family of fruits. Like if you are taking melons, you can have melons, other melons like watermelon, muskmelon you can have. Or like if you have orange, musambi, it's fine. So fruit should be taken standalone. Like if you have apples, take apples and custard apples. Similar fruits with the same set of family of fruits you should take. But with fruits, do not take any other food. Like fruit should be taken only like a snack. Don't take any other food with fruits. Or if you want to take, wait for at least 30 or 1 hour after food. After having a heavy food, yeah, we have practice of eating banana after food, right? So that can be taken 1 hour later. And now next we have lemon. Lemon, it's only should be used for garnishing. It should never be taken with milk, with cucumbers, tomatoes. We have the habit these days to take salads and little bit lemon garnishing we do. And that should be stopped because this creates ama in your body. Next we have all the grains. So grains like millets, rice, dal, these should be taken with vegetables and other grains only. Never take fruit with grains. Now we have what we have vegetables. So vegetables also we should only take with grains and other vegetables only, like carrot and radish. So vegetables should only be taken grains and vegetables. It should never be taken with fruit and milk. Vegetables also should not be taken with fruit and milk. Fruits also should never be taken with milk. Next we have a category of vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, and brinjal. This should also be taken only with grains. Don't take tomatoes, potatoes with cucumber. Don't take with them with milk. So these are the different types of bad food combinations which you are unconsciously or consciously having in your diet. Do comment below which are the bad food combinations you were having and then you're going to stop. I hope you found this video useful. Do start consciously reducing these bad food combinations. If you want, you can keep watching this video again and just take notes of what are the bad food combinations and start avoiding them in your diet. Do like and share this video, and I will meet you in the next video. I am doing a webinars on Saturdays on 3 secrets to living a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the ancient science of Ayurveda. And I would love to meet you live. Register for my webinar by clicking on the link in the description. And I'll meet you live. Loving you all so much. Stay safe, be positive, and let's boost our immunity and fight off any disease. Loving you all so much. Let's implement Ayurveda in our lives. Take care.